Professional hair clippers set. This hair clippers set containing a professional hair clippers and a detail trimmer. The big one is very fast and cool clipper, adjustable blade clipper, easily cuts all hair types and lengths. T-blade hair trimmer is zero gap trimmer, perfect for precise trimming, beards and sideburns, and excellent for lining and artwork. Powerful motor. This barber clippers is equipped with a high-performance motor, make the hair clippers faster and more efficient at work. It is also suitable for thick and wet hair, not pulling hair, more efficient. The noise is less than 60 decibels during operation, which won't bother you at all. High-capacity battery. The clippers for haircutting built-in rechargeable 2000 mAh high-quality lithium-ion battery, charged for 3 hours to provide up to 120 minutes of running time. The beard trimmer for men can run at least 180 minutes after 2.5 hours full charged. Grooming kit for men. Ufree barber clippers as barber supplies was used in many barbershops. Whether for barber or personal use, you just need a set of high-quality hair clippers and perfectly solve all the things you need in your haircut. Perfect for men, women, children. You can also give it to your lover as a birthday gift, Christmas gift, Valentine's Day gift. 1-year warranty. Professional team. Ufree have a professional design team with core technology. Please believe us that our hair trimmer are of the same quality as well-known brands, and bring you enormous value. We have no brand premium at present. We believe in our wireless clippers, so we provide 12 months free replacement warranty and friendly customer service. Top reviews from the United States. The best clippers I've found online. Wow. Absolutely glad I purchased. I did read most reviews for said product before buying, which I normally do. And these did not disappoint. My boys have super thick hair and it cut like water through snow. Clippers working like a charm, battery life seems to be forever. Would recommend these for sure. Well worth money. Value is up there in my opinion.